Lot T83 is a 1972 Opel GT Coupe with a turbocharged 1.8-liter Mazda inline-4 engine and a 5-speed transmission. And it sold for $25,300 on Thursday, October 30th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 5,965 miles, and the highlights are 1.8-liter Mazda BP inline 4-cylinder engine, T28 turbocharger, Mazda 5-speed manual transmission, Volvo 370 rear differential gears, 11-inch disc brakes, Conti adjustable shocks, flared fenders, 15-inch XXR wheels, bucket seats, and custom steering wheel. And this one was a resto mod, being a probably the engine that Opel could have used back in the day when it was new, because those had about 60 or 70 horsepower, and this one's probably pushing 200, maybe more. And it has the wheel flares. Definitely gives you a one-of-a-kind, and definitely be the only one at the cruise, that's for sure. But it was definitely a looker, and looks like good engineering. Somebody put it together nicely, and it was sold for no reserve. So that when you do that, basically the market determines the price, and well, that happens on every vehicle actually at an auction. The market speaks, and that's what it sells for, and that's what happened with this guy. So you got a real nice cruiser for $25,000. You couldn't build it for that, and all the headaches and that are already done. So you get to enjoy the end result without all the headaches for 25 grand. Not a bad deal. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.